Today on Bay Area Mobile AC and Auto Repair, brake pad service replacement. And now we push the piston back in for the brake pads. Your braking system and your brake pads are under a lot of pressure when you're driving, so it takes a lot of pressure to push that back in. Always replace your braking pad shim hardware with new hardware that's inside of the brake pad. New ones here replaces the old ones down here. See, they get wear and build up, so we just throw those away. Always give a little spray of brake clean and clean your contact parts. And then you blow it with your air. Do not breathe the brake dust. Always supply moly grease to your brake pads where they fit into your cradle for smooth operation. Now we have the new pads and the new shims installed in the cradle. Now we'll put the caliper on. Always ensure your cradle slides go in and out. That way you do not get premature brake pad wear. And now, with the caliper installed with one bolt, we slide it over the brake pads. Install your bottom bolt. And then tighten to the proper foot-pounds. Chevrolet recommends 20 foot-pounds of torque on the caliper bolt. Recheck. So that concludes left side brake pad replacement.